you guys want to see exactly how not to build a trailer frame. So this is an I-beam frame right here, and then it's got this kicker plate, which is good, keeps it from flexing that bottom. And then you have this frame right here, which connects all your suspension to this, which transfers it up into the I-beam. No big deal so far. You see right there, that air gap, that is a piece that's right here, and it's shaped in a C. It's just a formed piece of steel. Well, as weight hits the suspension, it pushes up and flexes right there. So I'm gonna cut these end caps off, shove a solid piece of steel up in there, get it welded up to where it transfer the pressure from here to that steel piece to this I-beam frame, and it'll be a lot stronger because it's breaking out cross members. It's just tearing this thing to pieces. And all they had to do was, instead of putting this air gap here, is transfer this all the way up to the top. Now it'd be a pain in the butt, but yeah, dumb. Now that I got that plate cut off, I can actually see that about 4 or 5 inches past where that plate was, they notched the I-beam that way, which doesn't make any sense. It would have been way stronger if you would just left it that way, but oh well, can't change it now. So what I'm going to do is run a piece of 1-inch square stock in here to fill up that gap and make that a lot more rigid, and then I'm going to take a piece of 1/2-inch plate and cut it to where it just barely fits inside of here, get it tacked up and welded up, and make it a lot stiffer and a lot stronger. Then I'll go through here, weld up all these cracks, and I may end up plating it on the insides where the cracks are. Okay, so I got 2 blocks welded together down here. I've got everything notched and prepped. Took all the paint, rust, and mill scale off, and now I'm ready to weld with a stick welder. Those blocks look like this. They're 2 pieces of 1x1 welded together and then built up a little bit to fill the little bit of extra gap. But I'm gonna weld them here, here, and then top and bottom on this inside too.